Nobody believes it, but I'm telling you, this zucchini is better than meat. To start this recipe, take 2 large zucchinis and cut off both ends like this. And using a fork, go ahead and make some scratches in the zucchini. And we are going to repeat this process with all of the zucchini. I'm telling you, the taste of this recipe is so incredible. You want to make deep scratches in the zucchini. It's going to help with our flavor and seasoning. When you've finished, go ahead and use a knife to cut the zucchini into strips just like this. Do it carefully and take your time. Repeat this process with all of the zucchini. We want them pretty thin, just like I'm doing. And I'm telling you, there's no secret to this step. Just keep going with it. And this is the result that we're looking for here. Now we are going to start with our seasoning, some salt to taste, and some black pepper as well. Go ahead and spread all of those seasonings around with your hands. You want to make sure they're well incorporated. Go ahead and turn everything over. We're going to repeat the process and season on the other side. Again, starting with the salt and then moving on to that black pepper. Spread it again so the entire vegetable is totally covered. Now we are going to set this aside for now and we're going to continue with our recipe. So over here in a dish, I'm going to be adding in 3 eggs. We're also going to need 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 spoonful of paprika, and 1 spoonful of oregano. Go ahead and give everything a good mix together until it's all well combined. The tip here is just to stir really well to make sure everything is well incorporated. The breading is going to be so deliciously seasoned here. I cannot wait to try this recipe. I just know it's going to be so good. All right, now it's time to bread our zucchini. Go ahead and dip it into that seasoned egg to start. Spread it around really well, just like this. And next we are going to add it to some breadcrumbs. And then we are going to take this and put it back into the egg mixture, just like this. And place that on a plate once you're done. We are going to repeat this process with all the zucchini and it's going to look like this. And now it is time to fry. Heat up a pan with some oil or olive oil and just gently add all that zucchini so it fries well. This vegetable is crispy and so perfect. If you want to fry it, you can fry it with the breadcrumbs on the outside as well. Carefully turn them over so we can get the other side. How delicious do these look? Perfectly crispy pan-fried vegetables. Fry again for a few more minutes on this side. And just like that, our recipe is ready. You'll need just 15 minutes to prepare this zucchini and it just smells so good in here. I love serving this with salad and rice, but it's time to give this a taste. I cannot wait to dig into this. Look how yummy this is. Bon appetit.